How to change or reset Discord password. If someday you forgot Discord password and you want to reset it, then you can do this by this process. Firstly, install Discord app in your device. After that, open your Discord app. If you are already logged into your account, then log out from your account. Now select login option. Here you need to type in your email or phone number that you used to register your account. After that, just leave the password section and click on forgot your password. After tapping on forgot your password, it will ask for verification. Click on confirm. Then you need to solve a simple verification process. After you're done, then simply click on verify. Now here it says we send instruction to change your password to email. So tap on OK and go back and open your email. You should see an email from Discord in your Gmail account. If you don't see this, then check your spam folder also. Now if you open the email, then you will see an option called reset password. After you click on reset password, then this kind of interface will be opened. Here they will give you an option to change your password. Type in your new password in the box and select change password. And just like that, your password will be changed. After your password has been changed, then go back to your Discord app and log in again. This time log in with your changed password. Then your account will be opened. So yeah, this is how you can change password in Discord. That is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.